Everybody, Brad here. Here's a American GI back from Vietnam. Got a picture off Pinterest, and I just kind of used it as a reference. It took about an hour and 40 minutes, and I assume he's some kind of special forces. He could have been Green Beret, Ranger, Navy SEAL, who knows, but I do believe he was Special Forces, American Special Forces back in the Vietnam War. It was a black and white photo, and this is it. And got some good detail on it. Fancy looking camouflage he's got. And with his M16 down there. And I assume that right there is probably a pistol on the side, and he's got his K-bar. For some reason he had two watches on, but I reckon when one failed, better go out, and still had that one. Anyway.